I've made this link tree so it's easier for you guys to get into contact with me. If you want to find out more about the course, it's over on my Buy Me a Beer. If you want to simply get into contact with me, it's over on my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram. Welcome back to Louis Crypto, where we talk about cryptos every weekday. Today we're going to discuss this absolute mess with all the banks closing left, right and center. If we can take a look at Quant, we can see that on the weekly time frame it has reclaimed the 55 after meeting our technical target down here at $106. We will zoom in, turn the drawings on now and zoom into the daily time frame. So it seems that at the moment we are holding this golden pocket, although yesterday or over the last few days we did lose it, but it seems as with yesterday's close we did actually close back above, so signaling that it is currently holding. We can have another go at coming back down because we are running into some sort of resistance very soon, more towards $131. There's the 55 down here at 129, so this $2 range from 129 to 131 is a key level of resistance. Again, it was the neckline of this bearish pattern which the target was met, and as I told you, when we meet this pattern's target we usually reverse, and that's what's exactly happened from the pattern's target at $106. So this is also because it's the 786 fib, which gives you one more chance to continue in an uptrend and reclaim this golden pocket, which we've now done. But it's not all in the clear yet. We need to reclaim 126 on the daily time frame over here, and then 131, which would be a price pushing above the 55, confirming it as support and reclaiming the neckline of this descending triangle or M pattern or head and shoulders pattern that we saw over here. We're not in the clear yet. We're still below our bear market box. It does mean that when we come up into certain resistances, we should expect some selling pressure. So we are coming into the EMAs right now. We were before yesterday closing below all of them consecutively. So look, this is the 200 daily EMA signaling what trend you're in. As long as you're above this, we should continue to buy, and if we're below, we should start selling. So the moment we go below, that's why we expected a dump. Are we now just coming up to retest these key areas as resistance? I would need to see Quant pushing through 131 for me to be confident that we are going to try and at least attack this yellow trend line, this down trend line over here, which is our dead cat bounce. So there's a lot of argument over my Twitter. Make sure you're following me over there. But yeah, there was a lot of arguments on my Twitter about a post I made. I was just simply saying, imagine if Quant goes to $50. That would be the case if you lose $100. I've been saying this on the channel absolutely every day. So if you lose $100, and we were saying that as even before losing this, we were saying this since November. And when we came down here with a smaller descending triangle, we were saying wait for $100 to be lost, and we've got a target back down to this area 77 to 83. But of course, we were saying that this is could be a dead cat bounce scenario. Now that's already complete with this starting to pump and meeting this technical target, because we're looking at this whole entire thing as the dead cat bounce. This is a big dump down. This is a big retracement back up. And there's the failure to continue through the golden pocket, which is our bear market box. And let me show you from the top to the bottom over here. Can you see this golden pocket between the 0.5 and the 0.618? That's the area where we should get rejected for continuation lower. But then you draw your new fibs and it's saying this is the deepest you may go before a bullish bounce, and there we're getting that bounce, and all we need to do is confirm this golden box of support. So your dead cat bounce scenario has played out, because all it's saying is that we're going to fail to get above that golden pocket, which was the actual bear market box that we see here. So that's all a dead cat bounce is, expecting a rejection over here. Or it could be a little bit higher if we get back the Fibonacci's. It could go a little bit higher to 190 and still do this dead cat bounce scenario where you return back to this low. You retrace back to this low. Luckily enough, I said no, it's going to stop at 106. Luckily enough, because we actually at the beginning we were calling for $100, but yeah, we just adjusted the target before it broke out, or before it met the target. Yeah, before it broke out, and we adjusted it to $106. So that scenario is done, because the dead cat bounce scenario is not saying 100% we are going to lose the low and go to these targets. I've prepared the targets for you. I've spoken about how if you lose $100, it does signal a target all the way back down to $45, $50. But only if you lose $100. So the dead cat bounce is not saying, yes, this is going to be a failed push through this bear market box, the golden pocket, and that we're going to go to 45. It's not saying that. It's just saying you're going to have a failed bullish uptrend over here. The bullish uptrend is going to fail over here. Now, can you lose this. It doesn't mean, yeah, we're going to lose it, we're going down to 45. It's like, okay, now can we lose it? Well, we return to that. So that's complete. But the pattern is saying, if you lose 100, we're going down. No loss of 100, we're not going down. This is what we've been reiterating every single day on the channel. So all Quant now needs to do is reclaim $131 over here, or just say the 382 fib, $132. You would be back above all of these moving averages. At the moment, they are still resistance, as we are still underneath $132, and we are still underneath this yellow bear dead cat bounce trend line that we need to take out, and we need to take out the bear market box pretty much at $160. Only then we're in the clear. But for the moment, what I can do is prepare for targets above this, simply because we've dumped and we started climbing back up. So we're going to be running into a golden pocket, a new one, a new Fibonacci that we haven't yet been able to show on the channel. And this is saying that actually you can climb all the way back up to $150, and we still do another dump like this. Yeah, where you could bounce and have another go. But that's what the Fibonacci's are telling me, guys. So we've reclaimed this. We're running into 131 to 138. Wow, amazing. Weren't we just talking about 131? So it's saying that that is a resistance all the way up until 138. And if we can confirm that support, then we can head towards the bear market box. But look, the 786 and the 1 fib level over here essentially our bear market box. So nothing is safe until we're clearing that top. We should not really even be getting so too ecstatic unless we're pushing through this level, confirming it as support, and then having a go. Only when we're having a go then are we should get happy, not when we're actually first going there. Because again, guys, it's actually saying the golden pocket here lining up very nicely with this yellow downtrend, descending triangle or dead cat bounce trend line. Is saying that this is still a resistance, and we can just be running up into it, and all these early buyers are going to get trapped, and we could be dumping down again. So let's see, could we pump, leave this area, but still return to it in the future? Let's see what Quant has to come over these next few days and weeks. I'll be back with another Quant update. So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship. It goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.